What's this for?
Go.
What's this for, Daddy? It's the bowl.
Right, go on, introduce it. Okay.
Welcome, and today we are going to show you how to make a water rocket. Outdoor Maker Lab!
Using
I'll show you on the cover. The front cover.
Okay.
Outside. Outdoor Water Lab.
No. Okay, what does it say?
To wrap the sheet. And
We don't need to do that, Caleb.
Oh,
Okay, it's already done with Pepsi, yeah?
yeah.
Draw a straight line around the bottle.
We don't
Yeah, done.
Step 3.
cut on the line. You draw. Pause the video. I just need the toilet.
Okay,
To
here we
cut
go.
around. Let's cut around.
You might. Oh, there we go. Now cut along the line.
I'm trying to make sure you don't go wobbly up. And it will be a disaster.
A disaster.
That's what happened last time.
Okay, right, 1 second. Cut away the line. Done that. Next step. Ask an adult to
Cut off the top
the bottle.
so that the tennis. So we're aiming to get the tennis ball through.
Make sure the hole is smaller than the tennis ball. So you don't want it bigger. So how do you do that?
Ow! Might need Mum's
Nice
cutter.
thing.
What?
You might need Mum's cutter.
We'll cut that. Right.
Yeah,
Me?
because I used a knife to do it last time. Because I just had to stab it and then cut.
Make sure don't get your finger this time.
Okay.
It's like you're cutting through a reef to break.
This might take a while because it's got at least 20 steps in it.
Hey.
Alright, let's see if it fits.
No, it's not meant to. There we go. Make sure the hole is smaller than the ball. Okay, paint the ball.
No.
Nah. Oh, no. Paint the inside of the round shape. Nah.
No painting.
Only part of the paint the ball. Only so you have to paint half of it. That's fine. Okay, draw 2 rectangles on cardboard.
I'm just gonna show him.
Right, now I have to get the cardboard on the table. Oh, here we go. 3 fins, done that. Paint the fins, we don't need to do that. Balance the tennis
ball.
Balance the tennis ball on the flat end of the larger piece. Of the second balance. Oh, second. Here we go. There. Balance the tennis ball. Can you see the ball? Balance the tennis ball on the flat end and place the painted end Where's the thing?
What thing?
That's it. Place that on top.
15%, Dad.
Okay. There we go. You want to get this double-sided tape? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Snip.
3, 2, 1.
I must have stopped me. We're out of space. We're out of space.
Got the double-sided tape.
Good. 2.
We don't need to cover. We don't need to.
Okay, that's it. Peel off the backing of the double-sided tape. So, and then we'll attach it to the racket. Like this. Look, so.
Double-sided tape.
We'll put it on here, like so. Like that. Whoa.
Do we just... The people like it just like that.
So, put it on here. Oh, oh. Let's cut that a bit.
We need to do a lot of cutting.
Like that. We'll do it again. Hold it.
The same.
Hachiman. No, that's not it. That's not it.
Sticky.
Hey, good job. You have done it. Sorry, well done.
Because it's invisible.
That's right.
That's why you don't know. That's what. Oh, there's a bit sticking off.
That's fine.
Well, the double-sided tape is mysteriously hidden.
Oh, here we go.
It's impossible to see.
Here we go. Oh, more.
Yes.
Caleb's confident. Jessie's confident.
Daddy's.
Daddy's
Oh.
not confident.
Yeah,
Here
because
we
you
go.
cut yourself.
Ready?
What? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Plug.
Stop.
Okay, hold on. Firmly. Well, I tried firmly, but
I'm getting full.
Yeah.
Jessie, the trash train is very full, but he's
All right.
still eating trash.
We need the valve now. And we need the scissors again. Alright. Now, next step, we need to cut up just enough of the cork so that the valve can get through.
Anyway, where is the fork?
Alright, I've got... Alright.
hold on. What does it say? Done that.
The trash train has a lot
Alright,
of
we need to do this. We need to
17.
do the cork.
Check your cork fits.
We're cutting because I've checked.
Give me the thing, please.
Alright, can I please be on camera for 1 minute?
I don't think you need to cut it. Doesn't it fit?
All of this goes in the recycle.
No, I already checked. It doesn't fit.
It does fit.
No.
There you go. It fits.
Yeah, but the valve doesn't fit through. We need to cut off a bit of the valve.
You cut off the valve.
Cut off a bit of it.
What, the metal?
No. cut off a bit of the cork.
Right, hold on. Push the valve into the middle until it pokes out
train is
the other side. Right, okay. So do you want to draw a line? Where it needs to be cut? Or do you want me to just cut it?
Yeah, you just cut it, then cut it a bit more. About that. Can I please do the cutting of the cork, Dad?
You can try. It's quite hard.
Otherwise you'll bleed.
Oh, okay, okay. Good. Let go. And I'm going to carry on spinning it around. Okay. Let go. And again. Good. And again. And again.
Sorry.
We're nearly finished. Just have one.
Okay.
The valve goes into the pump. What?
Like this. Watch.
Daddy, why does
Watch.
why does the valve on the cork go in?
Remember the putty. We need the putty.
Putty.
Yep. I'll get it out.
Whoa!
Just taking the photo.
Where's the valve?
Put it back. Oh, it's in my hand. Right. Put that back in, please. In the. Where's the putty gone?
No.
Blue tack.
I was just making it like a putty. Can I push it? The
Yes,
cork
yes.
in?
The lid. That's the putty.
Right.
The lid is the putty.
Is she?
The lid's the putty.
But you have to make sure you don't bend it.
It doesn't
Good, and
bend.
again.
It doesn't
Again.
bend.
Oh.
Daddy.
Go on, push. You're doing well.
Right,
5 minutes later.
5 minutes later.
Again. 500 hours later. Again.
Okay, it's through.
Again.
It's through. Okay, it's through. That's good. Screw the valve into the foot pump.
Okay. I'll get the pump.
No. Was that it? Turn the rocket upside down and use the small bottle to pour in half a litre of water.
Alright, I'll do
So
that.
let's just do a picture first. No, we have to. I think we'll have to go to the park because otherwise we'll lose it.
A few moments later.
Oh, Dad, look at this.
I can't look right now.
Oh, that thing's
Rain's
falling.
off.
Stop and repairing.
Okay, we'll just use that bottle up and we'll see how.
And to fill the rocket up to the top.
You want to press it firmly, you need a lid on it, really.
Or a cork, perhaps.
Well, yes, but then it's a bit more hard to get to. Yeah, definitely more tape is good, I think, but also all wings wet. It's the end, isn't it? So if you want, do slowly from far away, because it is quite zoomed in.
Be away!
And do it vertical. Yeah, far away, and then hopefully. Stop, Jessie. Okay, you.
It's never
Just
gonna
filming.
work.
Well, it's not going to work if you don't.
He's starting the engine.
Just stand on it properly, 2 feet. Up and down. See? Careful.
Daddy, I think you need Oh, you didn't pick it up. The engine.
Okay, that lost a fin.
Oh, she's so close. All the way down, Caleb. Oh, careful! You're too close. Right, Daddy, help you. Whoa!
Oh, completely missed that.
Very well. So it went like that.
Ding. That's right.
Alright, how about we see how it will do it just here? It will need to balance. It's aerodynamic. If we can do 2 wings, it's aerodynamic. It's aerodynamic.
Should put it on the floor. Should put it on the floor.
Horizontal lift.
To lift